In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to text using Google Docs, transforming a JPEG file into a DOCX document. This process is quite simple, and whether you're doing it for academic, professional, or personal purposes, the steps are easy to follow. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive account. You can open your web browser and type in drive.google.com, logging in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your Google Drive homepage, look towards the top left corner for the new button. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, select File Upload. This option allows you to upload the image file you want to convert, whether it's stored on your computer or an external drive. Choose the JPEG image you wish to convert and upload it to your Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, the file should appear under Recent. Click on the Recent section on the left panel of your screen to locate your uploaded image quickly. Now, find the image file you just uploaded in the Recent list and right-click on it. Doing so will display several options. Your target is to open this image with Google Docs. Move your cursor to Open With, and then select Google Docs from the list of available applications. Google Docs will load the image, and crucially, it will automatically detect and extract any text. With the image now open in Google Docs, you might see both the image and the extracted text underneath it. What you want to do next is streamline your document by clicking on the image itself and deleting it, leaving only the text behind. Take a moment to review the text that was extracted. Depending on the quality of the original image and the clarity of the text in that image, you may need to make some corrections or adjustments to the text. Check for any errors and make sure everything is formatted as needed for your purposes. Once you're satisfied, you've successfully converted an image into text using Google Docs. From here, you have the option to keep editing the document, save it directly as a DOCX file, or share it with others. Feel free to try this with other images, add or delete words as necessary, and make the document entirely your own. Experiment with different images to see how well the text extraction works for you. This method is a convenient solution when you need to quickly digitize text from a physical document or image file. Enjoy the flexibility and functionality that Google Docs provides, and I hope this tool enhances your workflow.